In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find my Shopify store URL 2024 Easy Guide. We're going to keep this simple and make sure you end with the exact link you can share with customers, use in apps, or save for your records. Start by opening your web browser and signing in to your Shopify admin. Once you're in, you'll see the familiar dashboard with a sidebar on the left. That sidebar is where we'll work from. Look to the left and select Online Store under your sales channels. This takes you to the Themes area, which is where your live storefront is managed. You don't need to change anything here. We're just using this page as the quickest path to your public site so you can grab the correct address. On the Themes page, find the section that shows your current live theme. You'll see an option to view your store. It might appear as a view button or an eye icon, and it's usually highlighted because it's the action you use to open the storefront. Click it. Your store will open in a new tab. If you notice a preview tag or extra characters in the URL, don't worry. That simply indicates a preview session, but the core domain you need remains the same. Once your storefront is open, interact with any visible link to ensure you're on a fully loaded public page. For example, clicking the cart link or the Items in Cart indicator loads the cart page, which is a public-facing page of your site. Now look up at your browser's address bar. The domain you see there is your store's URL. If you see a longer path like cart or my collections, remember that the base store address is the part before the first slash. That's the link you'll generally share as your homepage. A quick note on what you might see. If you've connected a custom domain, you'll see that domain here, which is perfect for customers. If you haven't set one up yet, you'll see your default myshopify.com address, which works for both customers and integrations. If your storefront is password protected, you might land on a password page first. That's normal, and the domain is still your correct store URL. That's it. From the admin, open Online Store, click to view your live theme, and copy the address you see in your browser. Save it somewhere handy, and you're ready to share or